the water. We're on our way to the beach. We're like beet red because it's freaking hot in Taiwan, but it's all good. Excited. So we came to 7-Eleven because we're gonna grab some water, snacks, and it's just really convenient here in Taiwan. Why am I so blurry? I don't understand. Grabbing some alkalized water. Yum. Look how pretty the sea is. That view. So we're walking across the rocks. It's a little bit dangerous, but it is pretty and fun and a good adventure. Sorry, my camera case is in the way. But look how pretty. It's like nature. Those are my friends. Look how pretty, we made it. What are men compared to rocks and mountains? Look at that. So we just set up camp and we're gonna go swimming. It's so hot, I'm so excited. So that was an exciting hike to the beach, but it was well worth it when we got here. And there's a lot of people here already. One of the, like an old man that we passed, he says he comes here a lot and he's never seen so many people here. Let's go, Nicole. She's gonna babe.
I need to, you know, I'm not ready yet.
Haba. She's nervous. 我都要爬下去.
Ready?
Let's go, Nicole. I'm recording her because I'm scared. On your mark, get set, go, Nicole! Woo! Yay! We're in Taiwan, We're just laying out now after snorkeling. It was really fun, but we're exhausted. We're eating snacks, and it's just really nice being in the sun. This is the first time I can remember when I'm not a child that I went to a beach in Taiwan, so I'm really stoked. Look at my battle wound. Cliff diving over there. It's pretty intense. I was too scared to do it. I'm a fraidy cat, unfortunately. See, look, they jump over there. Up here, it's kind of scary. So I was brushing my hair with my Tangle teaser, and there's this little, like, shrimp that came out of my hair. It's not focusing very well, but you see those two white things? They're shrimp. They're like little creoles. I turned on my macro for you guys. Ooh, hopping. Ah, it's cold. Alright, the sun is about to go down, so we are heading to the car. So we're going back on that epic hike to get back to the car. So that is us, that direction. That direction. Man, I'm sweating like drips of sweat. And I don't even sweat that much usually. It's crazy, but it's really fun. It's really pretty. You're right, we're crossing the Rubicon. No going back now. Ooh, salamanders. Oh my god. I don't know how my friend did this before me. Okay, we made it. We just went on the buckbeat ride. Hi, Jonathan. Hi, Margaret.